Welcome to this 5-minute box breathing exercise to help you calm down and relax. Find a quiet spot. Sit comfortably with a straight back or lie down on your back on the floor. Rest your hands on your lap or by your sides. Gently close your eyes. We're gonna breathe in a rhythm. Inhale, hold, exhale, hold, each for 4 seconds. In your mind's eye, imagine drawing a square box with your breath. Let's try it now. Inhale deeply through your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold that breath. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale through your mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do that a few more times. Inhale through your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale through your mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. 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 One last deep and slow inhale and a long, calming exhale. Feel all the tension melting away from your body. Notice how you feel. Lighter, calmer, more grounded. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Thank you for taking this time for yourself, and see you next time.